Alright, this hand looks fine. 3 land, exactly how it should be distributed. Got a ramper right here, metalcraft right here, and yeah, I mean, how much more could you ask for? No, we're not going to mulligan. There we go, we got our rustic and our liquid metal coating. It's actually cool, like if they're stuck on like a certain color of mana, then well, you get the idea. So all 5 of our cards in our hand are artifacts, and one of them can turn something else into an artifact, so I think we're going to have Metalcraft online this game. Let's go ahead and run her out. If the reason I'm going to have her go first, obviously she can get Contagion Clasp or something, and that sucks, but next turn, if we draw one of our 1 or 0 casting artifacts, and we can have her be a 3/3 flyer with liquid metal coating, turning one of our permanents into an artifact, drop the other artifact, that's 3. So he is white-blue, or he's just playing that as a 1/4 wall. And go Quarter Shield. Plains. So I like Rustic right here. Allows him not to bash. And that means next turn we can drop the liquid metal coating, turn something into an artifact, and tap it. So seems fine to me, huh? Never seen someone main deck that. Team America. Sure. Moriok Replica. I like to drop Moriok Replica when I have 5 mana open, because that way if they want to destroy him, I can sack him in response. So the card I like here is the liquid metal coating. I wonder if we can... No, we can't trick him into doing a dumb block. I was thinking we bashed with this. If he had like a 2/2 on the board, we could bash with it, and then if he didn't think about the Metalcraft thing, he might block. We could turn something into an artifact, and hopefully, you know, hope he's an idiot or something. So we're gonna go ahead and turn... Actually, no, we're not. We're just gonna... That's interesting. If we have 1 more mana, we could drop the Gold Mirror and then tap down his mountain next turn. Or tap down his Volshock replica, which might be a good idea. So we don't take the 3, and I'm not gonna trade Rustic, obviously. So we're gonna go ahead and yeah, we're gonna turn our Auriok Sunchaser into an artifact. Bash with it for 3. And we're going to tap his Volshock replica down next turn, because I don't want to be taking the 3 damage from that. I'd like to run Gold Mirror out, but actually I guess Gold Mirror might not be a bad idea. Because that way he won't bash. Yeah, I like that, because I don't think he's going to trade Volshock replica for Gold Mirror, and if he, honestly, if he does, then I will trade that. As you can see right there, there was a lot of decisions to make. So I call those crossroad decisions, where you can take the game in a completely different direction. A lot like chess, you know, you can move your pawn, your knight, your rook. It's up to you, but whatever you choose is going to affect literally every move for the rest of the game. It's hard to understand which one is the best as well. So he's attacking with that, and I didn't really want to trade, but I think I'm going to. See if he sacks it at my face. If he sacks it at my face, I'm cool with that. We'll see. He's kind of thinking here. Oh, well, he's trading. Sure, I'll trade my 2-drop for your 3-drop. Oh, that makes it worse. So something we could have considered, Razor Hippogriff, like why would he be trading that? But at the same time, he was destined to get an artifact in his graveyard anyways with his Contagion Engine in hand. Good, we wanted to see a land there. That's a good thing to see. We are going to drop Tumble Magnet. I'd still like one more mana before I play this Moriok replica. The reason is because we're going to be using one of our mana for Rustic to tap down his Razor Hippogriff so he can't bash. So yeah, we're going to run out Tumble Magnet instead. And once we get one more mana, we have the option of Moriok replica or Contagion Engine, depending on how long we want to wait. And let's go ahead and turn that into an artifact and tap it. He's actually gaining a lot of life from this Golem's Heart. Was that 9 so far? Yeah. Attaboy, card I've never seen. Gaining 8 life for 2. Keeping Metalcraft. It's not bad. Does not make it a good card, though. I want you to be aware that just because a card performs well once does not make it a good card. Show me Volshock Replica. Contagion Engine looks good right now. I don't think we're going to be tapping anything else down besides this Razor Hippogriff, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it tapped. And again, wish we had one more mana so we could start pinging, but we do not. So we're going to go ahead and bash in the air with this Auriok Sunchaser. Sunchaser's doing pretty well, isn't it? And I really want to get my my 6-man on next turn, so I thought about dropping Trigon, but I'm just going to drop this guy and probably block Volshock Replica and sack. Let's think. The best card we could draw right now, probably Revoke. So we turn that unblockable. So yeah, I'm actually going to tap that down. I think preventing 3 damage seems fine. Go ahead and sack this now. I really want to hit those lands. Nope. And we need a land. Nah. There it is. So we can play Contagion Engine. We can play Trigon and start burning things. I like Trigon. That way he has to hold his red open, or we can Trigon and kill it. We get to bash with this Sun Chaser. And yeah, it just overall seems good to me. And we're gonna do it pre-combat because it could actually affect combat. We have a lot of dudes of his that we can kill with this Trigon, so if it stays online, which hopefully it will, then I think it'll do some good things for us. Obviously, our life total is much more precious than his, so we don't want to be like doing these bashes back and forth where we're taking 3, he's taking 3, because he's gaining more life than we are with the Golem's Heart. I mean, I think he's gained 12 life with that now. Seems good.